Yep.
Mama.
Is the ferry here?
Yeah, it is not. Somebody let it go. Alright, let's set these here.
I gotta pee.
Oh, we got plenty of space there. Here comes the ferry. Choo choo.
I think the ferry choo-choos.
Matthew's ferry does. You don't like it, you don't have to ride it.
Wow.
Yeah, here it comes. I gotta bring her this way. Well, I guess it's going over there.
Wow!
Iron Man contest. Alright, that's where it's gonna be. Let's go. Load them up. Yeah, here we go. You gotta push it out. Alright, hop in. I think we're good. Can you help me like push this while you're coming in? Ready? Ready?
Okay.
Oh, good. Alright, push. Come on. Mom, you gotta push. Kick us off. We're grounded on the beach.
Here, hold this.
Okay. Alright, see what Mama's doing. Come on.
You take the stupid thing off.
A good current coming through here.
Hmm?
Come on. We gotta get going. You having trouble?
Yeah?
There you go. Alright, so when you get in, just push. You in?
No.
No, we'll get in. I can probably pull this. We're more in now. Yeah, push. So push off right there.
I'm trying.
Yeah.
I can't.
Here, I got it. I'll help. Ready? Hop in, hop in, hop in. I got it. Okay, hold it. Center us up.
Huh?
Center up. Get on this side. Get in the middle. We'll lean too much.
Oh.
In? There we go. Oh, all right. You ready?
Okay. Dang, freaking kicked water in my face.
Come on, Mom. Okay, I got it. We'll fall in. All right. We made it. That was a ferry.
Hey, should we get this jug and fill it up? Oh, that's not salt water. Never mind.
You know.
That's just a creek.